Hello, and welcome to the X-Key AI Estimation OCR tool tutorial. I'm going to show you guys the OCR tool and how it works, show you how we use it to finalize any bids, so it's objects the AI might have missed. It's quite easy tool to use, works very efficiently, especially on lighting. You would just highlight an object, in this case it will be one of these type 1 pot lights, and I will give it a designation, so I'll choose type 100 here. Go ahead and hit the OCR button, and then it should go through and find all the rest of my pot lights within about 8 to 10 seconds on the first inference. So every inference after that, you're looking at about 3-4 seconds tops. As you can see here, it does quite well. Caught all these pot lights without a problem. So I'll show you again on another fixture here. This one will be a type 2. And go find. And I should find the rest of my type 2s within a couple seconds. Quite easily. As you can see here, caught them really fast. So our OCR function works exceptionally well, especially in conjunction with our AI tool. There is a few differences you can see here for the AI counts versus the counts that the software found on its own. So the AI counts will show up just like this one does, solid color with a same color outline. The OCR counts will be solid color with a black outline. So another key difference you'll see here is when I click on the actual object, this one has a magenta line going around it, whereas this one has a gray line going around it. So that's a pretty quick and easy way to differentiate between your OCR counts and your AI counts. Another thing that we've just implemented here is our toggle switches, so we can toggle on and off systems. So I'll give you a quick example here. So do a couple of regular counts for my voice data system, and I have the ability to turn on and off my lighting, my voice data, so I can work on one system at a time and not have my drawings clouded up by images that I don't really need to be working on at that point in time. Thanks for coming to the AIE X-Key AI Estimation demonstration for your OCR tool. Thanks so much. We will see you at the next training session.